Neighbors often help each other out, grabbing the mail, taking out the trash, or lending a hand when needed. But real, deep connections between neighbors, those are rare. And friendships between generations, even rarer. Yet 15-year-old Romemylion Mitchell is living proof that kindness knows no age. At first glance, Romemylion seemed like any other teenager. School, friends, and hobbies filling his days. But what set him apart was his daily routine, one that revealed a heart full of love and compassion. Across the street from Romemylion lived Trent and Sian Joyner, an elderly couple who, over time, became more than just neighbors. They became family. Every morning, Romemylion made his way across the street, not out of obligation, but out of genuine care. He cut their grass, helped with chores, and accompanied Trent on grocery runs. What began as small acts of kindness grew into something extraordinary. A deep, unbreakable bond between a teenager and an elderly couple who found comfort in his presence. Then everything changed. Sian suffered a serious medical setback. When her daughter Tiki came to visit, she witnessed something that left her in tears. As Romemylion walked in and saw Sian, he couldn't hold back his emotions. Without hesitation, he rushed to her side, wrapped his arms around her, and wept. He didn't just see a neighbor in pain. He saw someone he loved, someone who had become family. Tiki was so moved by this moment that she took a photo and shared their story online, reminding the world that amidst all the negativity, kindness still shines through. And the world responded. Romemylin's story quickly went viral, touching the hearts of thousands. People everywhere were in awe, not just of his willingness to help, but of the deep connection he shared with the Joyners. In a time when people are often too busy to check in on their neighbors, this teenager reminded us all of what truly matters: love, compassion, and human connection. Imagine if we all took a page out of Romemylin's book, if we took the time to check in on those around us, to show kindness, to build real relationships with the people in our communities. Let's be inspired by this young man's heart. If this story touched you, share it with someone who needs a reminder that love still exists in this world. And if you believe in spreading kindness, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more heartwarming stories. Together, we can make the world a better place, one act of kindness at a time.